Hello, you guys! So, I have something exciting to share with y'all. Something I bought for myself for Christmas. Sometimes you gotta do that. So, if you don't know by now, I'm a huge Selena fan.
No kidding.
As you can tell. But I bought me the Selena Bumpboxx, which is really exciting. So I'm about to open the box. Actually, I opened it the other day because I needed to get the microphone for another video. You've probably seen already. But this is the first time that I'm actually getting out of the box. Exciting! And as you know, anything for Selena. So let's go and see this beauty. So as you open the box, this is what you see right away. It's still sealed. And in this bag, boombox, it comes not only, I guess that's a strap for it, then you get the cord, the cable. These markers, you can actually write on here and you can erase them. So that's the good thing about that.
Dry eraser.
Dry eraser. And then it just has warranty, the remote as well, and another cord. So that's pretty
Okay, come on. I want to see it already.
Oh my God.
You guys, I've been waiting too. I've been waiting since Christmas.
So this you would have seen in another video, but you know, look how beautiful. Wireless. So, y'all.
You know, we're going to be doing some karaoke up in here.
Yeah. Forget that. So here's the exciting part. It's kind of heavy. So, oh my God, I love that smell of brand new. Oh no.
Brand new anything. Oh, snap.
Well, there you go. That's a preview. She's here with us. She wanted us
snap.
to, you know.
It was like, welcome.
She wanted us to know that she's here. So.
Oh, wow.
Yes, Selena. And look how beautiful, you guys. Look at this purple. Oh my goodness. Precious.
That is, I can't.
That is just gorgeous. So the volume, the bass, treble.
Oh! Hold on, you guys. Okay, we're back. We had some malfunction.
Yeah, some technical difficulties, but this is where you would write the name of the songs or whatever you want to write, which I will be doing that. And in the back, it's where you can control. You can turn it on and off.
Oh, right there says blue. So it's trying to connect to a Bluetooth device.
The power on. That is so amazing.
I guess when you turn it on, it says that.
Yeah. Well, actually, I guess it was either on or it just happened. And obviously, you can see her in the back. Beautiful, beautiful Selena. So we cannot wait to be able to start using this. And we'll make sure to obviously use her music and make some karaoke videos. Now, this beautiful jacket, and check the back, please.
Dreaming of you.
Of course, you can buy on her website and the hat as well.
What did it say in the back? Queen of Cumbia.
Of course, the one and only Queen of Cumbia. Now, this shirt I bought. Actually, no,
You gifted.
It was a gift from St. Jude because I do donate for the children, anything for them. And once you do donate,
But I have a curious question. Do you walk children in nature?
I don't have children, but for those that do, just be careful out there. But once you do donate, and this is for a beautiful cause, of course, they send you this shirt, and then you can see the back, which is for Selena. And as you know, or for those that don't know, Selena loved children. So I did this in her memory as well as for Selena. So this is the unboxing of this beauty. So stay tuned for other videos. I hope you like it.
Turn it around.
Check out her website. And actually it came out pretty, I received that pretty quick. So if you do order it, you probably will get it within less than 10 days. So
stay tuned for content with the boombox.
definitely, and anything for Selena's. Bye, you guys.